Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So it is very really good news to all the studying candidates, post graduation or whoever the candidates are there currently, because the UGC approved for a dual degree simultaneously. That means a candidate can able to do the two degrees at a time, so that you can boost up your career in the two different disciplines. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, in the Times of India, one article was published on 22nd May 2020. That is, students can now pursue two degree courses simultaneously. So UGC has approved a proposal to allow students to pursue the two degree programs at the same time. One of the degrees has to be regular mode and other either in open and distance learning or in online mode. So a student can pursue two degrees in different streams as well as different institutions, so they may opt. While coming to the body of this one, a student of mathematics in Delhi University can now choose to simultaneously pursue any other degree course, just like the English literature from IGNOU or any other institution, but one degree must be regular and another one must be either online or in the distance mode, and you can do in the two different disciplines, just like the mathematics and English literature. So what is the advantage and the benefits of this one is, so once after completion of the post graduation, so these candidates can able to apply for these both the two disciplines for the jobs, either for the assistant professors or for the PhD courses or anything. So in a move to improve their career prospects, the UGC has approved a proposal to allow students to pursue two degree programs at the same time. So one of the degree has to be in the regular mode and another one might be in the open and distance learning or in the online mode. A student can pursue the two degrees in different streams as well as from the different institutions also. So he or she may also opt from the same institution provided it offers multiple mode of learning. So if the same institute is offering the multiple mode of learning, then the student can opt the two different streams, the two different degrees from the same institution also. And the detailed guidelines are to be notified soon. That means not yet the official UGC notification is released on this one, but as of right now, the UGC is approved to launch the dual degree program simultaneously. So a committee under UGC Vice Chairman Bhushan worked on the proposal based on the feedback from the public. As per the committee, since there is a minimum attendance criteria attached to the regular degree programs, the second degree has to be through distance or in the online mode. And the committee feels that this will offer better career opportunities to the students. And UGC Secretary Rajneesh Jain said the commission has approved the proposal and the guidelines on the same would be notified. Based on this decision, a student will be allowed to pursue two degrees simultaneously, but for both the degrees, the mode of delivery will be the different. Mode means regular mode and the online mode. So it is article published in the Times of India on May 22nd that soon we are going to get the official notification from the UGC regarding the same content. That is, a student can pursue the two degree courses simultaneously. One is through the online mode or the ODL, that is on open and distance learning mode, and another one must be the regular mode. So definitely this concept will bring up a bright career and it will boost up the career of the student or the candidate, that he or she can able to apply for the multiple disciplines either for the lecturer post or for the PhD programs. Right friends, so it is update that I want to provide you through this video from my channel, and for more updates please subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.